For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Washington, and Westmoreland, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1.5 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Jefferson Hills, Mount Essen, Clarendon, Denora, Monongahela, Charleroi, West Newton, New Stanton, New Eagle, North Belvernon, Wickerham Manor, Fisher, Bayland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 42 and 55. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 70 and 74. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.